welcome to Scuba Travel and Adventure. This is my first time out this year. Time to take a little break for that self-isolation. Me and my queen, so let's take it for a short spin. I want to do at least an hour or so out of a ride just for the first time this year. Let's see how it goes. There's still snow around. Take care. So let's go. Yeehaw! I missed that feeling for a bit. This is just a side road. I'm just gonna turn around and head towards a little town called Okotoks, just on the outside of Calgary. I should have come up on the bike a bit earlier. It was a little bit more sunny. It looks like we got some clouds over. Lucky me, I am working. Maybe it's not a full blast as normally I would have the hours. Just hope I can survive what I make and support the family at the same time. It's not gonna be easy, definitely. I work in telecommunications just to support you guys on the internet so you can stay connected with your families and post all the crap online. We're gonna turn right here. With a little farmlands and ranchers. I'm not sure how is the audio gonna be, probably crap because I don't have an external microphone. I'm trying to figure out how to connect all that stuff without all the bulkiness on the helmet for a GoPro. It's almost 6 o'clock and it's still 9 degrees. I think that's the best day we had this year so far. We're all going nuts at home, having all the kids and learning and online education. The kids don't know what to do with themselves. Trying to keep them entertained as much as I can, but with limits of sometimes you have to just go. My daughter wanted to go for a spin. She just turned 7 this year, March 15th. So hopefully next year she's going to be tall enough that she's going to be able to ride with me in the back. She's so anxious. And that would be fun to take her along. Oh, we got the beautiful mountains in front of us. Still a lot of snow. We have a ski pass that I haven't even used it. I was planning to go skiing or actually snowboarding just before all that coronavirus news came out. Unfortunately, they had to close all the resorts in Alberta. National parks are closed. And I called the Lake Louise Ski Resort. They told me that I'm going to be able to postpone my pass for the next year. So and there will be not even administration fee, which is a good thing. Once we get over the hill here, it should be a nice view of the mountains. I'm going to fix the gloves. I got the wind coming into my jacket. I can feel it a bit. There we go, that feels better. no drop. Should I even call it a cruise control? That's the throttle lock. I hope that situation is going to resolve pretty soon. How much longer they're going to keep us in isolation like that? On my days off, I am going nuts at home. Good thing I still make those YouTube videos. I try to keep them coming. See, some of you might get discouraged when I post something related to scuba diving, but that's my passion, scuba diving and riding the beast here. A few of the subscribers disappearing, I guess, when I'm posting the scuba videos. Or maybe it works in the opposite way too. When I post motorcycle stuff and the scuba guys are disappearing. Off to bed, not too much wind today. Really calm. Oh, there's some cattle. Oh no, that's horses and cattle. Alberta State. I'm planning a trip, I was planning a trip down to California beginning of June. I'm not sure if they're going to open the borders by then. I surely hope they do. I already have a time booked off from work, and there's a couple of other buddies that will go with me. And we're supposed to go all the way down to California to Sequoia National Park and Redwood National Park, possibly hit the dead body on the way too. That was our goal for this year for our long 2-week adventure. If not, we're going to try to make a changes to the plans and we may go up north towards Canada. If nothing is going to change for worse. I'm hoping that it's going to last not more than 3 weeks. But that's my guess. I'm gonna crank up the speeder on my handlebars. I had a hard time to take the bike out of the garage because my back body is full of big rats and from the snow and mud. I guess mud is okay, but those icy rat holes, you don't know where you're going, so I have to take it slowly out of there. Gosh, we got a marshmallow in front of us. Where the hell he's going with the camper? Oh, there's a couple guys on the bikes. Guess they're coming out from hibernation. Sun is pretty blinding even with the visor on. Gotta watch that gravel here. This is the place where I lost my GoPro last year. I had it on a suction cup mounted on my side pannier, and I guess the suction cup let go and I lost my GoPro. It took a tumble. Good thing it was in the case and nothing happened really to it. I'm surprised. Well, the bracket kind of broke, but that's a quick fix and easy replacement. Oh, we got another biker. We got 13 kilometers to Black Diamond. Very small town, there's not much going on in there. I think there was some mining in there, like oil and maybe a black diamond since the name is Black Diamond. I don't know. I I've been living here for a while and I never find out what they were digging in there for. They have actually a little like three-dimensional sculpture of black diamond in this town. There we go, we're approaching the black diamond right now. And there is the diamond. Normally I would stop here for coffee at Tim Hortons, but they have it all just drive through and I had a coffee before I left the house, so I'm good to go. Just the drive-through is open and takeout. There's some beer. Finally they have some grass visible that they can stop themselves or leave in the dry grass. I wonder where's all these people coming from. Nobody's working technically. Well, I shouldn't say nobody, just a few people. But the major stores and everything is still open. Everything that is considered as essential businesses is open. I don't get how do they consider liquor store and marijuana stores as essential business, because they are staying open as well. How the fuck is that essential for life? I'm not against it by any means. Like, I don't mind to have a puff and have a drink, but I still don't consider those businesses to be essential. Government is worrying about them having their bills paid, but nobody gives a shit how you gonna pay the bills with those little unemployment additions. I can't imagine how the economy is gonna look after all this shit is over. Everybody's gonna be in a deep hole with all this mortgage deferrals. They already had a hard time to meet ends together, paycheck to paycheck. How about just freezing paying taxes for that time period when all this stuff happens? That would be maybe a bigger relief. Don't pay income tax because you make a little bit more money. You have more money to pay your bills. I'm pretty sure most of the people even that are working from home, their wages are not the same as they would be working from the office or whatever they're doing. We can see that big rock up ahead. In the middle of nowhere, there is a bloody rock, and it's a pretty big one. I'm just gonna pull up there. Just to the parking lot. I'm not walking there. I've been there. Let's check this out. See, there's some people. The Big Rock, the Okotoks Erratic. People are taking some pictures of it.
Good. The sun is getting lower. Let's carry on back home.
Sounded like it backfired or something. I wonder what was that all about. Maybe it's the shitty gas after the winter. That's why I wanted to take it for a spin, get rid of the gas. Even though I did put a fuel stabilizer over the winter, I think what I'll do, I'll put some premium stuff. I just normally put the regular gasoline, but after winter, why not give it a little bit more oxygen to clean it and everything else. Especially that the gas is so cheap right now. Gas is cheap and we have nowhere to go. Isn't that sad?